Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to schedule Instagram post on Android app. So let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once you are there, make sure that you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the plus icon on the lower middle corner. And in here, let's just choose a picture to post and then just tap on next. And here, if you want to schedule your post, then just tap on this one. If you can't find the option, go to next. And let's see if we have the option of scheduling in here. So let's just go to more options. So as you can see, there is no option of scheduling this post on this account. So you have to know that if your account is a private account, then you can't schedule your post. You need to have a business or a professional account to get that feature. So yeah, this is how the information works. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.